Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Andy here, and today we're doing something a little different, but super exciting. We're putting two of the best open wireless earbuds head to head. The Edifier LolliClip and the Edifier Comfo C, also known as the Edifier R1. Both of these are designed for people who want great sound without the pressure or isolation of any earbuds. And I've been testing them side by side in the gym, outdoors, and around the city. We've also done 4 reviews of each of these as well. You can check the links in the description where you can see where we tested these. But again, what we do today is just look at how they go head to head. So if you've struggled with earbuds falling out, feeling uncomfortable, or making it hard to hear your surroundings, this is a video for you. We're going to do a full comparison, unboxing, comfort, sound, real world use, and features using the Edifier app. And of course, we're giving away a pair. So check the link in the description below to enter. It's free, multiple entries allowed, and it helps support the channel. Let's start with the unboxing. Both come in sleek, well-packaged design. The LolliClip immediately stands out with a more futuristic vibe. Rounded case, glossy finish, and a really premium look. Inside, you get the earbuds, USB-C charging cable, and documentation. No wireless charging on either, but both cases feel solid and pocket-friendly. The Comfo C or R1 comes in a compact charging case that's slightly more minimal. The earbuds snap into place magnetically and feel super lightweight. The build is great on both, but LolliClip does feel and look a little more high-end straight out of the box. Now let's talk fit and comfort, because that's what really sets these apart from traditional earbuds. The LolliClip uses a unique ear hook that wraps over your ear and rests gently outside your ear canal. You barely feel it's there. It's soft, flexible, and stable, even during long workouts or long commutes. I wore it at the gym, on long walks in Manila, and just chilling at home. No pressure, no fatigue. The Comfo C also uses an over-ear clip-on design, but it's slightly more compact and made from softer silicone with memory wire. It adjusts to your ear shape and stays put, even during jump rope and running sessions. If you wear glasses, these are a dream. They don't interfere at all, and they're incredibly lightweight. Let's get into sound quality. Open ear designs usually struggle with bass, right? Well, both of these surprise me. The LolliClip uses 13mm titanium coated drivers, and the sound is next level. You get rich mids, crisp highs, and yes, a surprisingly deep bass for an open ear design. I played everything from EDM to Red Hot Chili Peppers, and even did a live sound test on the balcony in Manila. Loud traffic below, I could still enjoy the music clearly. The Comfo R1 uses 12mm drivers and directional acoustic technology that pushes sound directly into your ears. While the bass isn't quite as punchy as a LolliClip, it still holds up incredibly well, especially for vocals, podcasts, and lighter music. It's a more balanced, natural sound with less low-end thump, but still very immersive for its size. Both models feature AI-powered call quality with multi-mic noise reduction. I made calls in cafes, on busy streets, and even during wild wind, and they performed very well. LolliClip had slightly clearer audio in louder environments, but the Comfo C held its own and surprised me with its performance, especially given the distance between mic and mouth in an open design. Let's dive into the Edifier Connect app, because this is where the things really shine. The LolliClip supports adaptive, active noise cancellation, spatial audio with head tracking, touch control customization, and even health tracking. Yes, built-in heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring via sensors on the earbuds. Plus, there's a water drainage feature and a Find My Earbud function if you ever misplace them. The Comfo C supports EQ presets, game mode, multi-point connection, and quick pairing with Bluetooth 5.4. It doesn't have health sensors or ANC, but you still will get a responsiveness and stable app experience. I use both with my phone and laptop, switching between devices during the day, and it worked flawlessly. Battery life is solid on both. The LolliClip gives you 9 hours on a single charge, up to 39 hours with the case, and a 15-minute charge gives you 3 hours of playtime. The Comfo C R1 delivers around 7 hours per charge, 20 hours with a case, and also supports fast charging. In my testing, both easily lasted several days with regular use. So which should you use? I would choose depending on what you guys need. If you want the most features, health tracking, spatial audio, ANC, high-res sound, and premium build, the LolliClip is a beast. It's perfect for tech lovers, fitness fans, and anyone who wants cutting-edge features in a stylish open design. If you're after simplicity, comfort, lightweight design, and stable performance at a lower price, the Comfo C R1 is a fantastic choice from Edifier. It's great for runners, cyclists, commuters, or anyone who needs situational awareness without sacrificing sound. Now guys, I've done a number of reviews of Edifier earbuds and speakers. You can see them in a playlist here. Once again, Edifier stood out in regards to its quality of sound, quality of build, and just general performance. So check out those if you wish to purchase them. And remember, we're giving away a pair of the Edifier Comfo C R1. Check link in the description below to enter. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss another giveaway. Let me know in comments below. Are you Team Lollipop or Team Comfo C R1? Which one would you wear all day? And have you used any other Edifier products? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.